Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of PTC ads watching website. Now if you also want to build your own PTC website, pay-per-click website, you can contact us and we will build this site for you. And if you need only code of this website, only code is also available, and it is the latest version of PTC Lab script and you can use it. And if you buy it from us, you will get on a very low price from market. And to buy this, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this script from us on a very low price, and we will give you complete money back guarantee with this script, and we also provide you complete support. So viewers, let's start this video. And first of all, we will look at its home page. So you can see how amazing its home page is, and you will get 3 different amazing templates in this website. So here is a about us section that you can completely change it from admin panel, and site is completely editable. Here you can see the benefits and facilities. You can list these things from admin panel as well. Here are the membership plans, PTC plans. You can see you can see them right here. Here is $5 plan, $50, $70 plan, and you can list as many as plans you want from admin panel. And here you can see details about that plan, daily limit, 100 PTC ads, referral bonus, plan price, validity, and you can see these things right here. Here is some other section, and here is frequently asked questions section. You can list these questions from admin panel. Here is what people say about a section, latest blogs in the website, and this is a footer content section, and you can change this as well. And completely changeable site, is easily editable. You don't need any coding knowledge to control it. And if you also want to change the language of website, you can use it in any local language you want. So currently we are using it in English, but you can use it in any of your local language. So I will show you how we can insert the local languages. So now let's click on login. So I already have an account, so I'm not directly going to log in. So I will enter my username. So here I will enter my username, and here I have to enter my password in order to log in. So just click on I'm not a robot, and just when you click on login now, and it will log you into your user panel. So viewers, this is the amazing user panel of this website, and it's completely very easy to use and very editable. So here you can see your total balance, plan you have subscribed. Here is your plan. Here is your total deposit. You can see your withdrawals, total clicks, remaining clicks of today clicks, next reminder, referral commission, and my active ads. So you can view everything right here in this section. So here is a deposit option. So now just click on deposit now, and you can easily deposit money using any of the gateways. So you can see latest automatic and manual payment gateways are here. So you can see all our main automatic payment gateways that you can use. And if you want to create your any local gateway, you can do it as well. So here you can see your deposit history. So when you deposit money, you can see all your history right here in this section. Here's a withdraw section. So now just click on withdraw now, and here you can withdraw your money using these gateways, and you can create any gateway for withdraw. So there's a plan page, so you can subscribe to plan. Just click on subscribe now, and you can easily subscribe to any plan you want. So this is how you can subscribe to the plans. So now let's go back, and here are the PTC ads section. So you can view all your ads right here in this section, and you can view those ads from here, and you can earn money by viewing those ads. So this is the PTC ad view. So this is how you can view the ads and earn money. So you can list these plans ads from admin panel. So here is the PTC my ads clicks. You can see view everything. Here is a transaction section. So you can view all your transaction right here in this section. So this is a referral page. So you can see all your referral commissions and referred user in this section. So here you can see all your referred users as well. So this is your referral link. You can invite people using this link, and you can also earn money through referral commissions. This is the account section. So you can see your profile, change password, balance transfer, support ticket, 2-factor, and logout option. Viewers, now let's go to the admin panel of this website, and let's see how we can control this website from the admin panel. So now I'm going directly to the admin panel of this website. So to go to admin panel, just remove this and just type /admin. So here you can see that demo details are already entered. Now just click on I'm not a robot, and now when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So viewers, here you can see your total users on the website, total active users, email unverified, mobile unverified, total deposits on the website, pending deposits. Complete details are in front of you, view ads, commissions, everything is in front of you, and you can completely control this website from here. You don't need any coding knowledge to control it. Everything is in front of you. You can control the website directly from here. So you can see all your notification right here, user registration, deposit request, everything will be appeared here in front of you. So to set the referral commission, so you can set a referral commission from here to as many as levels you want. Just you can set up commission on deposit, plan subscription, and PTC view. So these are the 3 referral commissions you can set up. So this is a subscription plan, so you can from here you can create as many as plans you want. So now here you can see the existing plans that are on our website. So to edit them, just click on edit now, and you can edit them as well. And to create a new plan on your website, just go here and you can create a new plan on your website from this section. So now this is a plan subscription page. Now let's go to PTC ads and let's see how we can insert PTC ads. Just click on all, and here you can insert PTC ads from this section. So you can see all the existing plans that are here. And now if you want to insert your own ad, so just click on add new, and here just select the title, amount of the ad that user will earn by watching that ad. Here is the duration of that ad, maximum show, status is active or not, links. So you can also insert YouTube links, YouTube video links, etc. from here. And this is how you can insert the ad on your website. Here is active, inactive, pending ads, rejected ad. So you can also user can also insert ads and you earn through them. So this is a PTC report section. So you can see all the PTC report type here. So here are all the PTC report types. Here are the report logo logs. So you can view all the report logs from here. So this is a manage user section. From here admin can completely manage all the users on the website. Just click on active users. So you can view all the users on the website. Now if you want to change their details, just click on details, and here you can add balances to their account, you can subtract balances to their account, you can log in as user, ban user, and you can change their details as well. So this is completely user related activities that you can control from here. So the most important option, payment gateways, there are automatic and manual payment gateways. So these are all the automatic payment gateways, and these are all worldwide accepted gateways that are available, so you can use them. And if you want to create your own local gateway, just click on manual gateway. Here is add new option, and you can add any of your local gateway you want by filling these simple details. So you can create any of your local gateway you want. So it's completely simple and completely easy to create. So there is no science here. So just click on deposit option. So here you can approve or reject the deposit requests of user. Just click on details, and you can approve or reject deposit requests of user from here. And here's a withdrawal option. So from here you can create withdrawal methods for taking the withdrawal. So there are currently 2 withdrawal methods. Now if you want to create a new withdrawal method, just click on add new, and from here you can create a new withdrawal method completely easily. So there is a support ticket option, the pending support ticket. So you can view all the support tickets right here, and you can reply to different users on those support ticket. Here you can view all the report of transaction log, login history, notification history, PTC view log, referral commission history of the website. And this is a general setting option. From general setting, basically you can change the title of website, time zone. If you want to use it in any of your local currency, you can also change the currency to INR, PKR, NGN, whatever currency you want to use, you can use it. So it's completely easy and simple. So here you can set registration bonus, default plan, balance transfer, everything is in front of you. There's system configuration option. You can turn on off different settings of the website, user registration, force SSL, force secure passwords, email notification, email verification, mobile SMS verification, language options. So you can manage those things from here, and you can disable them as well. Here you can set up all your social credentials from here. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of the website, so you can insert any of your local business logo from here. It's completely simple. From extension, you can insert CAPTCHA, Facebook, Google Analytics, TWK, Live Talks. You can also insert, and this is the language option. You can insert any of your local language from here. Just click on add new, and you can add any of your language from this section. There is a SEO manager. You can manage the SEO of website directly from here. You don't need to go anywhere else. You can manage it from here. Just KYC setting. So you can create a KYC form for user to verify. Here are the ad settings. So you can manage all the user ad settings from here. here are notification settings. You can manage email, SMS settings from here. And the most important option is the template, manage template. So from here you can manage the template of your website. So currently you can see there are 3 different templates. There's basic template, PTC Diamond template, and PTC Prime template. And it is a completely 3.9 PTC Lab 3.9 latest version script, and you can use any of the template you want. So currently you can see that we are using this basic template. You can use Diamond as well and Prime as well. So if you buy it from us, we will give you complete money back guarantee with script, and we will provide you complete support that no one will provide you. And here is manage sections. So you can manage all the sections on the website. You can completely edit every section you want. So here also you can see there is a version PTC Lab 3.9. So now if I want to edit the about us section of the website, suppose it, so now you can see it's completely easy to edit. You can easily edit text, links, images, whatever is on the about page, I can edit it from here. So I don't need to do know the programming knowledge in order to control it. Here you can edit the banner section. Here you can insert blogs on the website, and you can edit the existing blogs from here. Here's a breadcrumb page. You can manage the breadcrumb image from here, counters, FAQ, everything is completely manageable. So viewers, this is a complete overview of this website. Now if you need more details about this script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. Feel free to contact us. And so this is the last part of our video. Viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel as well.